Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu.
Hey, good morning guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting part to install, and that is the Mishimoto oil catch can. Shout out to them for sending me this part. Really appreciate it. I reached out to them and they were cool and kind enough to go ahead and send this to me. It's something that I have been wanting to do for a little bit now, but I just have not gotten around to it. But we are going to do that today. We're gonna install it right there. And without further ado, let's jump right on in. And I do want to note that this is not going to be a full install video. It's going to be more like a time lapse. But if you do want a full install, there's tons of videos out there. But let's go ahead and jump right in and get this thing installed and see what it can do.